As Solana crosses the $150 mark, we believe that is still extremely underpriced for what Solana is doing. And in this video, we're going to talk about 4 exact reasons why a $600 Solana is the bear case for this bull market. According to Cointelegraph here, Solana eyes $600 target in the upcoming crypto surge. So what is the first narrative here? Is innovation. Solana is often first to the starting blocks. They tend to roll out products and services that other blockchains just aren't doing yet. Starting with their ChatGPT plugin. This was back in April of 2023. Solana Labs ChatGPT plugin allows AI to fetch blockchain data. This is something that people new to the Solana blockchain can use to help them navigate and not make any mistakes. You also had the Solana Saga phone. The first one got off the gates a little slow, but once people found out that the airdrop from the tokens, more specifically Bonk, was worth 4 times the amount of the actual phone, it got sold out. And then when the Saga 2 was announced, they had almost 200,000 pre-orders in a matter of days and weeks. As you can see here, buying frenzy for Solana's mobile second phone drives pre-orders sky high, getting 30,000 pre-orders in the first 30 hours. They're the first layer 1 blockchain with their own phone. Also, you have Solana breaks new ground with decentralized audio calls in SolChat. This also has a token that has been absolutely running. And of course, what everyone in the Solana ecosystem is waiting for, Firedancer, a validator client built specifically for Solana and their layer 1 blockchain, developed by Jump Crypto, which is a Web3 infrastructure company. Firedancer has been designed to significantly increase Solana's transaction processing capabilities and provide support for sharding. In a live demo broadcast in 2022, Firedancer demonstrated an ability to process over 1 million transactions per second. One unique thing about Solana is it doesn't necessarily need layer 2s like Ethereum, like some other layer 1s, because at the base layer 1, it is fast, it is cost effective, and it's going to get even better with Solana. So innovation. Second is big money loves Solana. Solana is often touted as the VC coin. Well, as you can see here, they raised over $359 million, with 93% of that coming through funding rounds. More notably, in June of 2021, $314 million was raised from leading investors such as Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, and Multichain Capital. You also have Pantera is looking to bid to raise money to buy all the Solana coins from the FTX bankruptcy estate. So around $150 is the price target they're looking to buy. You also have people like Cathie Wood, the founder of ARK Invest, lauding the speed and efficiency and cost over Ethereum. So you have a lot of the big names. You also have people like Raoul Pal coming out publicly and essentially endorsing Solana. So what is that going to potentially lead to? There's speculation about a potential Solana ETF. Solana price surge fueled by ETF approval hopes. Analyst predicts inflows similar to Bitcoin. Now, not to put the cart in front of the horse, we will probably see an Ethereum ETF first. But if we get an Ethereum ETF approval, the logical next layer 1 to get one would be Solana. It's got a lot of institutional interest. It's got a lot of money in it. It's an up and coming layer 1. And this is also something we're already seeing in Europe, as 2 European firms will launch Ethereum and Solana staking exchange traded products for institutions. So they're innovating, and big money loves Solana. Well, what about retail? What about the not big money? What about me and you? Well, we apparently love Solana too. Meme coins is going to be another one. We saw what meme coins did to Ethereum in the last bull market, skyrocketing Ethereum. We're going to look at an Ethereum chart here in a second. But as you can see here, Ethereum meme coins go viral with $6.4 billion traded in the month of February. You take a look here at the top meme coins. You have number 2 and number 3 are both Ethereum-based meme coins with SHIB. SHIB alone, which is Ethereum-based coin, is at $21 billion market cap, followed up by Pepe at $3.84 billion. Of course, Dog with Hat is the leader on Solana, but Floki, Ethereum. You have a bunch of these on Ethereum. MAGA, Ethereum. So What did these meme coins and the surge of, let's say, a Shiba Inu do to the price of Ethereum? You can see ETH here on the 1 week chart over a span of 476 days. So about a year and a half, Ethereum rallied almost 1,800%. And this vertical green line you see here, this is when SHIB really started to rally. And you can see how Ethereum's price reacted, gaining over 53%. I'm not saying this was all due to SHIB, but this is the kind of volume that can bring the volume that comes on chain to a layer one like Ethereum with the surge of meme coins. Well, Solana is having its day as well, and this might be the bull market for Solana memes as the meme coin surge, including Dog with Hat. You got Bonk, you have a Biden one, you also have a Trump one. So they're hitting different sectors of the meme coins. Then you have meme coins that are being airdropped. You saw the Bonk airdrop in the Saga phone. You're seeing this one, Smog, is being airdropped to Solana token holders. And then you take a look at where the Solana meme coin market cap is at. It is a fourth of what just one Ethereum meme coin is at, which is Shiba Inu. Only $5.3 billion in market cap for the total of Solana meme coins. We expect this number to go up significantly, which would bring trading and volume on the Solana ecosystem. So we have innovation, big money, memes, and a big one that not a lot of people are talking about, surprisingly, is DeFi. So this is from CoinShares, their Medium blog. Solana's DeFi rise challenges Ethereum's dominance. Take a look here at the Solana TVL. It has crossed $3 billion. If we zoom in, this has been just up and to the right after November of 2022. Call it 1 year of just a flat line. The TVL has absolutely surged on Solana thanks to DeFi, thanks to trading, thanks to meme coins. Also, Solana's weekly DEX volume surpasses $11 billion. This was 3 days ago, hitting a record high. It also went as far as to flip Ethereum over a 24-hour time period. Ethereum, the layer one that has over $30 billion in total value locked. Solana, with a tenth of that, flipped it in DEX volume. And it is led by none other than one of the most hyped airdrops and projects in the space, which was Jupiter Aggregator, the liquidity infrastructure for Solana. With that being said, I'm going to send it over to Forrest. He's going to talk to you about exactly why Solana is so underpriced compared to Ethereum. He's also going to go over a Solana chart as well. Research, like the one that went into this video, takes a lot of time. And well, if you don't have the time and you still want to make money, we recommend leveraging someone else's time and expertise. And that is why we recommend you use 16.ai with 3 different bundles for you to choose from, depending on what price point you're looking at, and massive wins such as Mad Lads, Trump, and Whales. 16.ai can help you make money. And if you use the coupon code OLA25 or click the link in the description of this video, you can save 25% off your order.
All right, so yeah, obviously the assumption here for a $500+ price target for Solana is that we do get a full crypto market cycle here. So obviously, you know, if we don't see Bitcoin sustain all-time highs or go to 90, 100K plus, then this is very difficult for Solana to achieve that target. But in the case, in what we're seeing right now with these large Bitcoin ETF flows, it's very likely and becoming more and more likely by the day that we're going to see a traditional crypto market cycle. And I do think that Solana can reach those targets. So mathematically, what we can just simply back into here is we look at the total crypto market cap here at $2.7 trillion. If we say, you know, what would this need to get to kind of support that Solana price target at its current market dominance? If we saw a $10 trillion market cap, so roughly like a 3.8, call it a 3.8x in the total crypto space altogether. And this is Solana's dominance or market share of that, you know, current 2.8 trillion dollar market cap. Well, if we held this market cap or this Solana dominance at around 2.62%, and we just saw the entire space do about a 4x, about a 3.8x, you can see at current prices, 3.8x, or we call it 4x, times Solana at $150, that's going to be between $500 and $600. So mathematically, Solana does have the current market dominance to support a $500 or $600 price target if we see that $10 trillion market cap scenario come true. Now, we could see a scenario where, let's just say we go to $5 trillion market cap. That is much more in reach. It'd be just a little under a two, or yeah, a little under a 2x from where we're currently at. But then let's say this bull flag on the Solana dominance chart plays out, right? And we see Solana dominance move to 4-5%. Completely realistic for Solana to continue its rise in dominance. We'll get into why in just a second. But that would also support a price target of $400, $500, $600, right? And the big reason for me, in addition to all the great reasons that David already mentioned, is just simply the scalability that Solana has over Ethereum. And this was in a that was actually sent out when Solana was like $19 in Sistine Research. So we sent out this report saying that we thought that Solana would outperform all other major cryptocurrencies in L1s. And one of the big reasons, there's three reasons we outlined. Traction was one of them. Social relevance was another one, but the big reason is its advantage and scalability over Ethereum. So the key thing that you could always just pause the video and read some of these paragraphs and some of this explanation if you wanted, but the big problem with Ethereum, and I'm still bullish on Ethereum in general and the ETH ecosystem, but one of the big problems it faces with scalability is that you have all these layer 2 chains, and these layer 2 chains fracture and pull liquidity away from Ethereum. So you get less liquidity on each of these chains versus Solana is able to scale at the L1, meaning all the liquidity is preserved on Solana itself, on the layer 1 chain. So you get a higher dose or a higher concentration of liquidity, where on Ethereum you get fragmented liquidity. The other key thing in terms of scalability and why Solana, one of the reasons that Solana scales better in terms of gas fees, aside from its localized fee markets, which Visa has been talking about and potentially experimenting with some payment protocols for stablecoins. One of the big problems with Ethereum is, let's just say you have a market on Polygon or Optimism. All these L2s, because they roll up to Ethereum, let's just say you have a wrapped Ethereum against trading in a market with USDC. USDC wrapped Ethereum trading on Optimism. Well, if the price of Ethereum changes on Optimism because somebody on Optimism is bidding the price up, there's arbitrage transactions that have to cascade across all of these L2s. So one big transaction on Optimism changing the price of Ethereum versus the USDC against a stablecoin on Optimism causes cascading arbitrage transactions across all these other L2s, which all then have to roll up to the L1, which increases gas fees. And it's one of the reasons among many why we see in periods of excess demand and speculation, especially on these L2s, it drives up gas fees drastically on Ethereum, where we're seeing $100 plus per gas or per transaction right now on Ethereum. And Solana is just, because it scales at its layer 1, just does not have that issue. It's got really nice localized fee markets, and gas fees stay low, which means it is far more accessible to the average person who just doesn't want to spend $100. They'd rather spend a fraction of a cent on a transaction. So with that, I'm going to kick it back over to David to wrap it up.
Thank you for that, Forrest. $100 gas fees definitely hurts when you're trying to just swap $200-$300. We hope you enjoyed the video. What is your absolute best case price target for Solana in the upcoming bull market? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want access to the Research Hub, use the link in the description of the video. Make sure to use the code ALLOUT25 to save 25% off. And come check out our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.